Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to make this currently trending how to make 90s photo edit using the EPIK app. Now don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now if you don't already have the EPIK app, it is in the App Store right here, and then just go ahead and type in EPIK, and it should be this one right here, so the EPIK AI photo editor. And then once that is open, just go right on ahead and open the app. So this is something that you would usually see. Now, in one of the options, you do have the AI yearbook right there. And this is what you will need to do. So you will then go ahead and click on this, and then just go ahead and click continue. And then you will need to upload 8 to 12 selfies. So there are some examples here on how to take good ones and some bad examples right here as well. Now, once that is done, then you will need to go ahead and pay for this to be created. But there is actually an alternative, and let me show you how. Now, what we're going to be doing is just go ahead and go into X, or formerly known as Twitter, and then just type in AI yearbook right here. And then just go ahead and, just take one of these images and then just go ahead and save it right here. And then we're going to be going on our Safari. And we're going to be looking for this website called pika-ai.com. So that's pika-ai.com. And then you will see something like this. Now let's go ahead and click on the top left with the 3 lines. And then we're going to go look for face swap right here. Go ahead and click on this. And then this is what we'll be doing. We're actually just going to be swapping the face, but we're still going to be using the same body type, which is what EPIK is actually doing. So let's go ahead and add our face, or a face that you want to go ahead and use. Something like this. And then what you want to do is you can go ahead and pick the photo to reface, but you can actually upload one as well right here. So go ahead and upload the one we have taken from X, or formerly known as Twitter. And once that has uploaded, go ahead and select it right there. And then just go ahead and click generate. Now you will have to wait a couple of seconds to minutes. It will show in terms of which queue number you are on. And once that is done, you should be able to see it right here on the right side. And there you go. So just go ahead and download this, and then you can go ahead and use more images that you would like to go ahead and replace. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.